Dog in the world. I am. Who's the smartest dog in the world? I am. Who's the smartest dog in the world? I am. I fight. Mwahaha. Mwahaha. I'm a rabid beast. Rabid beast, I tell you. Rabid beast. Here's my companion. He's a dumb rat. A dumb rat, I tell you. Dumb rat. He likes to run away from people.
Here's my chicken, dear.
The dumb rat runs from people.
You sitting on your phone.
I'm the rabid beast. The rabid beast. The rabid beast. I like to curl up in my blankie and chew on a sock. Good night, everybody. Mwahaha. I'm Wilson. Bye-bye.
And I am Max. Stupid retarded dog.
I'm running away from you people. You people are sleepy. Goodbye now.
Bye-bye.